Beklager for at det tok litt tid siden forrige video. Vi hadde litt sånn problemer med å begge ha jobb og sånn. I dag så skal vi lage sånn der try not to laugh video med vann i munnen. Prøv å ikke le. Jeg går til å knuse den.
What did you say earlier?
This is so good. Dad, should you supposed to tell me? Oh no, I lost my coaster back.
Greit.
No, snap!
Nå stopper jeg. Ja, eller hva han ble.
Take a shot.
Oh!
Get him!
Uh-oh. Boom!
I didn't!
You're gonna break the wall! Oh no! You're gonna break the wall!
Bruh.
Oh my god! How'd you even manage that?
We got 8 minutes till midnight. Look at Mariah with that leg. Ah, she dropped it!
Oh no.
Get set, go!
To en meg.
Dang, was that a fall or a performance art?
Go! Get him!
Whoops.
Living to your right! Living to your right!
Did you forget how gravity works?
Nolan, the other way, Bubba! Nolan, get on your back, Bubba!
Holy smokes, are you auditioning for a comedy show?
1, 2, 3.
Look at this boy. Look at him. Look. What's up with that? Who does this?
Oh shit!
If you ever want to get out there to fight dragons, you need to stop all
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Keeping this much raw meat contained, there will be consequences. I can't stop myself. I see a dragon and I have to just...
Good evening.
You know, it's who I am, Dad.
Oh, yeah. No. Excuse me, barmaid. I'm afraid you brought me the wrong offspring. I ordered an extra large boy with beefy arms, extra guts and glory on the side. This is a talking fishbone.
Give me another chance.
No.
What do the dwarves of the Iron Hills say? Is Dean with us?
No. If we find the nest and destroy it, the dragon will leave. Now who's with me?
I'm not afraid. I'm up for it.
No, I'm serious.
I'll pack my undies.
No.
Oh, you don't know.
I do know. No, I do.
No, you don't.
You know.
Oh, here we go.
Split in two. And you.
Oh, you don't know.
I do know.
Oh, you don't know.
I do know.
Oh, here we go.
I do know.
No, you don't.
Oh,
No, I do.
No.
You know. I do.
No.
I know it's...
Hiccup. I need to speak with you.
What? Bread making.
Time, Hiccup.
I don't want to.
You walk, you talk, you think. This deal? Good.
Welcome to Dragon Training.
Whoa, wait. Aren't you gonna teach us first?
I believe in learning on the job.
What is he doing?
We don't have to kill them. They're not what we think they are.
I said stop the fight!
She's right. You have to be tough on yourselves. Where did Hiccup go wrong?
He showed up.
Bruh.
What you say? Oh, that you only meant well.
The manual. Everything we know about everything we know about everything we know about everything we know of. Everything we know
About drive, about power, we stay hungry, we devour.
Around me your familiar face.
And there's this other one that bears itself for like a week.
Sounds great. There was a chance I was gonna read that.
But now,
So I guess we'll share?
read it.
Oh.
Once upon a time, there was a lovely princess. But she had an enchantment upon her of a fearful sort. She was locked away in a castle, guarded by a terrible fire-breathing dragon.
Never engage this dragon.
Like that's ever gonna happen.
You did it! You rescued me!
Dragon classes. Class. Thunder Drum. This reclusive dragon inhabits sea caves and dark tide pools. When startled, the Thunder Drum can cuss. Extremely dangerous, kill on sight. Scaldron. Gronkle. Zippleback. The Skrill. Bone Napper. Jack.
Ja, du vant. Ja.
I don't.
Kom!